Hi everyone! Today's question comes from Lital. She asks about the acne around her chin. Now she's asked the question in the group, but she's also sent me a private message and she's shown me a picture of the acne around her chin. Now from what it looks like cystic acne. So the acne scars look large, they look painful and sort of inflamed. So you always want to look at what type of acne it is and where it shows up on your face. Another thing I know about her is that she recently had a baby. So this can obviously restructure your hormonal system. So your endocrine system and your hormones are probably out of whack, and that's probably why you're having an acne outbreak at your age, probably about the same age. And so you want to look at all those different factors. And the first place I like to look at when I'm looking at a situation of acne or any skin conditions, whether it be eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, acne, is that you always want to work from the inside out. Now, many, of course, marketing will tell you that you need to work from the outside in, that you'll need to buy all these creams to help you save your life, but really that's all a crock of shit. Okay, so we're going to look at today how to do this cheaply, very simply, very naturally, and get back to basics. So when you look at healing acne from the inside out, first of all, you should be taking a good quality essential fatty acid. So if you're open to eating fish, I would recommend a fish oil that's high in EPA, and that's the anti-inflammatory compound in the fish oil that's going to help to reduce any inflammation in the skin. The next thing I would do is take a zinc supplement, so 50 milligrams of zinc per day, and you can get that at any health food store, so a zinc supplement. But you want to look at the foods that you're eating. So definitely reduce any refined sugars. So no white sugar, and wherever white sugar is hiding, so no pastries and muffins and cookies and croissants and baked goods, no refined sugars, okay? Chocolate, you want to look at removing a poor quality chocolate from the diet. Any acidifying foods, coffee, any saturated fats in the area of fried foods, okay? The next thing you want to do is make sure you are consuming a whole food diet. So very important to be eating tons of fruits and vegetables for their antioxidant properties, a whole protein, so high quality protein sources, complex carbohydrates, not too much gluten, not too much sugar, not too much dairy. So there you're working from the inside out. You also want to be having a lot of chlorophyll in your diet. So you can do that by eating lots of leafy green vegetables, or you can add a chlorophyll drops in a supplement form to your water. And you can also add trace minerals to your water. So these are all different options. You don't have to do them all, but I wanted to give you a few different possibilities for what you can do. Next thing is, you know when you walk into a department store and all these ladies are trying to shove their perfume samples and cream samples in your face, and then you go find out how much these creams cost and you're like, oh my God, like $300 for a small thing of cream. I just want to tell you ladies, forget all of that crap. That's all junk. No matter how much it costs, it doesn't mean it's of higher value. It doesn't mean it's a wonderful cream that's going to help you, get young overnight or take away all your acne symptoms overnight. That's not going to happen. Those creams are actually laden with chemical products and very little natural ingredients in those creams. So they're just basically chemical concoctions that are actually going to exacerbate the problem. Artificial fragrances, artificial perfumes, chemical preservatives. You want to stay away from all of the parabens, all of that stuff that comes in there, okay? So for a situation of acne, I'll just go back into my story a little bit. So I actually developed acne when I was pretty young. I don't remember exactly what age I was, but I actually developed acne before anyone else in my class developed acne. So imagine how mortifying and embarrassing that is. Nobody else in my class had acne, and we were young, and I was the only one who developed like these huge, painful cystic acne, pus-filled pimples all over my face, and I didn't know what to do. So I ended up going the route of going to the dermatologist, obviously, because I wasn't into any of this natural health stuff back then. And I got this gel, I remember, called Stuyvesant gel. And it just burnt the hell out of my face. I remember my face being always like sore and red looking because, yes, it did remove the acne, but it burnt my face in the meantime. So you want to kind of stay away, shy away from those things, and just really try natural remedies. Really try to heal from the inside out. And then I'm going to show you a few products that I actually use on my face. So you want to stay away from any of the chemical creams. One option, I'll show you the face wash that I use first of all. I am in love with this company. It's Gardener's Dream. Look at that price. Do you see that price? $13 for this huge, imagine how long you could use this on your face. You're just using like a tiny little dime-sized amount on your face, okay? So the reason I like this is because the ingredients are super natural, and it's also filled with essential oils that are actually very cleansing and purifying on the skin. So lavender, tea tree oil, when you open this up and smell it, it really smells like aromatherapy, like essential oils. So I'm a big fan of this product for any, you can use it on body acne. Is it a body? Yeah, it's a body wash, but it works really well on my face. You can use it if you have any backne or chestne. That's back acne, chest acne, okay? And then you can use it on your face as well. So I'm a huge fan of this. The only thing this does is it strips the layer of oil off your skin. So I personally, I'm not sure what type of skin you have, but I have very oily skin, very an overproduction from my sebaceous gland. So my skin produces a lot of oil. But way back, I heard about a secret, which I'm going to tell you. And I didn't want to do it. I was afraid to do it actually. And the secret was to apply oil to oil. Someone suggested I use the Dr. Hauschka oil at the time. So apply oil to oily skin. Now I thought this was going to make my skin break out even more and become super oily. But as time went on, my skin began to balance. So the oil secretions began to balance and I stopped having super oily skin. How amazing is that? So that is one secret for youthful skin and for acneic skin that can handle the oil. I know some people with acne will also break out from using oil, and one of those oils that I find out to be aggravating on acneic skin will be coconut oil. So watch out if you have a lot of acne, if you have super oily skin, watch out with coconut oil, okay? But I'm going to show you another couple of oils. So if that is the situation for you and you have super oily skin that gets very aggravated, what I suggest is getting just a pure aloe vera gel. Okay, this is going to moisturize your skin, and then adding a couple drops of tea tree oil. So this is tea tree essential oil, very cleansing, very antibacterial, antimicrobial. So just a couple drops of tea tree oil with some pure aloe vera gel. Now, if you see aloe vera gels in regular pharmacies, you're going to see that the aloe vera gel is green. Why is it green? There's no reason it should be green. When it comes out of the aloe vera plant, it's clear. So buy something like this, which is pure and clear. Or even better, get yourself an aloe vera leaf and just scoop out the center and you can use that directly on your skin. That's really getting back to basics, getting back to nature. All right. So another thing you can do to clarify your skin is use a clay mask. So I really like this green clay mask. It comes from Paris. And I like this one because it's fast and easy. I'm all into fast and easy because I have 2 kids and I don't have time. I barely have time to do a mask to begin with or go to the bathroom, let alone put a mask on my face. So basically you want to do this about once or twice a week. It's a green clay that's already been made into a paste. So it's already been mixed in with water as opposed to the other ones which you can buy in a dry powder form and then you can mix it in with water. So this is wonderful because it's already been done for you. You just apply it all over your face, wait for it to dry. It's going to pull out any impurities, any toxins from the skin, any blackheads, whiteheads, any of that pus. It's going to draw all that out of the skin. And then you just gently cleanse with a washcloth. And obviously you let it dry and crack. It's going to harden on your skin and it's almost going to turn white. And then you're just going to wash and wipe off. Another option for cleansing is a sulfur soap, like a deep sulfuric soap. It's just basically going to be a pure sulfur black soap from the Dead Sea. So if you can find that at your health food store, or if you go on Amazon or online, you can probably purchase that there as well. Okay? So that's for cleansing and masks. Now, here is that secret I was talking about. There are a few oils that I absolutely love for the skin, and I play around with all different oils. I actually mix. I'm an oil alchemist. So I mix up my oils and my skin does really well with all of them. One that I don't have here because I ran out of it is argan oil. So pure argan oil. It usually comes from Morocco and the women there use it on their skin. It comes from a plant, the argan. They're like little berries. And so you can use that directly on your skin. Okay, so you just want to take like really minimal. This is going to last you a really long time, like maybe, I don't know, 1 or 2 squirts. They usually come in a pump or in a dropper, so you can do like 5 or 6 drops, and you just want to massage that oil into your skin. You can do it at night before bed or in the morning, okay, after you've cleansed your face. So another one that I really love, and it's very great because it's anti-aging because of the antioxidant properties of these berries, is Rosa Mosqueda. Okay, and you always want to get a good quality organic one. I like this company. They've actually developed their line of facial oils. So it's New Roots. They're a Canadian company. And same thing. So minimizes and prevents wrinkles. So this is going to help to balance out those oil secretions. And it's also going to help to moisturize and hydrate your skin instead of using all those expensive chemical shitty moisturizers on the market that are full of chemicals and are only going to make the acne situation worse. Okay, so this is what the oil looks like. It's in a little dropper bottle. All right, so that's Rosa Mosqueda. Now, I like to get a little fancy, and I like to add essential oils. Okay, so for really oily skin, actually, you want to add any citrus oil. So bergamot is beautiful, lemon, lime, orange. These are oils that are going to help to sort of, they're acidic oils, so they're going to help to cleanse and sort of detoxify the pores. Since my oil secretions are balanced out right now in my life, which is awesome, I'm thinking more about anti-aging, okay? And about wrinkling up. So what I do is I add a few drops of this frankincense. Can you see that? It is amazing. It has many, many beneficial properties. And a few drops of frankincense essential oil. And then a few drops of rose essential oil. Rose is such a beautiful essential oil. I love this one. It smells amazing. Both of these smell amazing. So what I do is I usually take my base oil, so whether it be argan oil, Rosa Mosqueda, or even jojoba. Some people say jojoba, some people say jojoba. Okay? You see, they're all plant-based oils. They all come from plants. So you want to take a bit of your base oil. I usually have like this pump, this glass. I like this blue glass that I have an empty. I usually buy these empty ones, and then I mix my own concoctions in there. So I'll put my own oils in there, and then I'll put my essential oils, just a few drops of each essential oil. Okay, lavender is also a beautiful oil to use on your skin. Woo-hoo. Okay, so that's that. Those are my essential oil blends, and that's really the secret to youthful skin and preventing wrinkles and aging in the future, is to use oil on your skin. Okay, another thing that I like to do is exfoliate. So I exfoliate in the shower. I have an apricot scrub that I use, a natural product by Earth Science. Otherwise, you can use one of these little, it's like one of those big dry brushes for your whole body, but this is a little mini one for your face. How cute is that? So you just want to put your cleansing product on this brush it around. It's going to take off all that layer of dead skin cells and allow your face to breathe, and then just wash your product off and wash all that dead skin stuff off. Okay, so I really hope this helped. You can also use tea tree oil as an on-the-spot treatment on the pimples. Okay, another thing you could take is spirulina. So this goes back to healing from the inside out. So any green superfood powder to help really alkalize your body and bring the pH level down so that there's not so much acidity and inflammation in the body, more alkaline environment for the internal body. Okay, so I really hope that helps for any acne situations, any skin situations. That was also a bit of a video on how to care for your skin and your basic skincare routine. If you look at these products, they are totally inexpensive. Essential oils will last you forever and ever and ever. You're just using little drops at a time. These base oils will last you forever as well. You're using like small amounts of these oils. A little goes a long way because they're super concentrated, really high quality organic products, but very simple. So your skincare routine doesn't have to be complicated and fancy schmancy. It can just be very simple, and there we go. So guys, take care and keep the questions coming. I love them. Bye.